Good morning, guys. Transmitting here from South America, House of Mercier. Today is a cold day here in Lima, Peru, where the factory is. Today we have something that is very specialized on what we do. This is hair on hide frames, and in this case, in particular, hair on hide photo frames. What I wanted to show you today is the different possibilities of what we can do with them. There are possibilities in colors, there are possibilities in sizes, there are possibilities in finishes, as you can see all over here. Starting with the sizes, for the time being, we're doing 3 sizes: 4x6s, 5x7s, or 8x10s. We have done 11x14s and a couple of times 12x16s. These are totally finished on the back, as you can see here. So the frame, when you put it on the top of a table, you will see it from behind, and this is what you're gonna see. I think that when you have a piano, you have a console that you want to put something, and you have the other side that actually will be seen, this is a perfect frame to show it off also in the back. The other thing is the different possibilities of colors. I will divide it in basically four finishes. We have then entire color, something like this, which is a brown frame. It could be brown, it could be white, it could be black. The brindles, we have a lighter brindle, a medium brindle, and a dark brindle. Then we have the brown and white. We have a lighter one, a little bit darker ones. Then we have the black and white. This is basically black hair with spots of white like we have in here. You have to understand that this is a natural product, so we're never gonna be the same. And that's the fantastic thing about this. So this one will have his particular finish or color or enhancement on what they look. The other thing that we do is all of them has the same corner finish like the one you see in here, which is a braided natural leather adapted onto the corners. In terms of shapes, we have the flat one, like the one that you saw in here, which is a flat molding, the reverse molding, like these ones, the convex one, that is like this one, the one that we use also for the baseball and football. How we make them, I should tell that at the beginning, but this is a good example of what we use. This is a leather hide. In this case, this is a gray one that we have done, but this is the way that we have. We cut the hide in each of the pieces that we use for the frames. If you have more ideas of what you would like to have from here, it will be fantastic. I think that the possibilities are endless on what we do. Okay, you can see these ones in our catalogs at the website, which is houseofmercier.com, and also you can see them in the social media, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I think that this is something that you should have. Thank you again, and from Lima, see you next time.